Welcome back, beauties. I'm so glad you're here at Beautyistic, where we break down every product with honesty, expertise, and a dash of fun. Today, we're exploring the KIKO Milano Ultra Tech Plus Volume and Curl Mascara. This is a mascara designed to give your lashes both dramatic volume and a lifted curl, aiming for that false lashes effect we all dream of. Right off the bat, what caught my attention is its dual function design. The upper part is formulated to build volume and enhance curl, while the lower part acts like a precise comb, separating lashes and lifting them beautifully. The texture is creamy but lightweight, so it promises not to weigh your lashes down. On top of that, it's enriched with black rose extract, which is a nice touch for conditioning the lashes while giving them that glossy, intense black finish. Putting it to the test in my daily routine, I found the mascara surprisingly easy to apply. The upper volumizing comb really grabs each lash without clumping, and the lower comb helps to fan them out perfectly. It gives a natural yet dramatic lift, and my lashes felt flexible rather than stiff, a huge plus for comfort. I also tried it during a long day, and the curl stayed intact, which is impressive for a mascara that doesn't rely on a heavy formula. On the downside, if you're looking for an ultra-thick, heavy-duty volume, this might feel slightly subtle compared to some high-drama mascaras on the market, but the lift and definition it provides are excellent. The pros? It's lightweight, builds both curl and volume nicely, has a conditioning ingredient, and gives that fanned-out lash look without feeling sticky or stiff. The cons? If you're chasing extreme false lash level volume, it may fall a touch short, and the dual comb design might require a tiny bit of practice to perfect the application on the first try. Value-wise, KIKO Milano tends to be in the mid-range category. Considering the quality of the formula, the dual-function design, and the lasting curl, it feels fairly priced. For comparison, some high-end mascaras can cost twice as much without offering the same conditioning benefit, while some drugstore mascaras might provide volume but struggle to maintain curl throughout the day. The packaging feels sturdy and sleek, with a modern, minimalist appeal that's easy to handle during application. Longevity-wise, I'd say it holds up beautifully for a full day without smudging or flaking, which is crucial for everyday wear. If you're exploring alternatives, a classic volumizing or curling mascara from the same price range might give similar lift, but you might miss out on the dual comb feature and the lash conditioning benefit. For those on a tighter budget, you could try a single-purpose mascara, but the false lash effect won't be quite as defined. So, the final verdict: KIKO Milano Ultra Tech Plus Volume and Curl Mascara really delivers on its promise of lifted, fanned-out lashes with a touch of volume. It's perfect for anyone looking for that defined, glamorous look without feeling weighed down. If dramatic drama isn't your thing, this offers a sophisticated, buildable finish that works beautifully for both day and night. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase it in the description or comments. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.